is in 40. The first thing is they're asking you, it's just, this question is a question on division. So meaning I'll find out how many 0.002 is in 40. So I divide 40 by 0.002, as you can see it. Then I want to convert this one now to a whole number because it's in decimal. So I have to multiply by the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's by 1000. Is that not true?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's it. Divided by 1000. So I will now eventually have 40 over 2 over 1000. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
The next thing that follows is apply my law of odd mass. This is the big division sign in between the denominator that is downwards. Alright, so I give 40 a denominator, that will now be 40 all over 1 times. So I'm having 1000 now will go up while the 2 will come down. Alright, so I have 40 times 1000. Did that give us 40,000, B?
Yes, sir.
40 times 1000, that will give us 40,000 divided by 2. That eventually gives us 40,000 divided by 2, that's 20,000, Abi?
Yes, sir.
So therefore we could say that there are 20,000 0.002 in 40. That gives us the final answer. And over here, the question says father shared 480 between two sons. Benson gets 14 naira than Ade. How much did Benson get? The first thing you have to do is share it equally between the two sons. Since they say one will get 14 naira more, I'll add the 14 naira, as you can see here. As you can see here, I'll add the 14 naira to this one here, and I will subtract the 14 naira from the one down. You understand?
Yes.
So here is now 280. Why did you give me 200? So therefore, this elder son Benson will be getting 280. While the younger son will be getting 200. So if you check 280 plus 200. Is now giving me 480?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
And on this other question, this is I think on geometry. They say we should find the value of t. Look, here there's no angle, here there's no angle. What you do, add the two angles together. This is an angle on a straight line. That's why it is like this, 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's pointing this way. Okay, good. 180 degree. Okay, so 40 plus 50, that gives us 90, right?
Yes.
We equate it to 180 and divide both sides by 9. And we finally got 20 degree. Okay, so T is what? 20 degree. Alright, so now if I want to find the value of those angles, value of the angles, so let's say 40 degree, and that'll be 4 times 20. That's 80 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 50 degree. 5 times 20. Is that will be 100, Abi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that not?
Yes, sir.
So if we check, so we have 40 degree plus 50 degree equals 180 degree. So that will give us 80 degree plus 100 degree. That gives us 180. So can you see it? So that shows that our working is very correct. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for another lesson.